In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the GPU is compatible with the game, but we recommend using a newer driver error in Horizon Forbidden West. Let's dive in. Identify your graphics card manufacturer. Determine whether you have an Nvidia or AMD graphics card. Visit the manufacturer's website. Go to the respective website based on your graphics card brand. Nvidia for Nvidia cards, AMD for AMD cards. Select your product type and series. Navigate through the website to locate your specific product type and series. For example, if you have an Nvidia GeForce card from the 30 series, select the corresponding options. Choose your graphics card model and OS. Select your exact graphics card model and ensure that you choose the appropriate operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Download the latest driver. Once you've selected the correct options, proceed to download the latest driver for your graphics card. Run the installer. After downloading the driver, run the executable file .exe to initiate the installation process. Agree and continue. Follow the on-screen prompts, agree to any terms and conditions, and continue with the installation. Select Custom Installation. Opt for a custom installation to ensure a clean installation process. Perform a clean installation. During the custom installation, make sure to select the option for a clean installation. This will remove previous driver versions before installing the new one. Restart your computer. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. Launch the game. After restarting your computer, launch Horizon Forbidden West and check if the error persists. Updating your graphics card driver through a clean installation should resolve the GPU is compatible with the game error in Horizon Forbidden West. If you found this guide helpful, consider supporting my channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.